How to fix can't follow someone on Instagram. So to fix this problem, after you open up your Instagram account like this, now go ahead and tap on this search button. After you tap on this search button, all you have to do now, tap on this search at the top, this search. So now go ahead and search for the person that you want to follow. So let's say I'll just tap in this step. After you tap on this step, now tap on this account to see the people. So now wait Instagram to give you, as you can see now, all these people having same name on Instagram, all these are account with the same name. So the first reason that Instagram not allowing you to follow someone on Instagram is because you follow many people at once. So most of the time those accounts that are following many people at once is a robot account. So if you follow many people at once, Instagram will think that this is the robot account and they will limit your account from following someone on Instagram. So the advice that I will give you is stop following many people at once. So if you are following like more than 20 people a day, just stop following more than 20 people a day. Just follow like 15 people a day and do it like regularly. So if you are following like 50, 30, like 60 people a day, so Instagram will limit your account from following all those people, because Instagram will think that this is a robot account and is following these people to get followers. And so people used to follow random account on Instagram to get followers. If they like follow like 1,000 people and they get like 1,000 followers, then later on they will come and unfollow those people. So Instagram is not allowing people to do that. So all you have to do now stop following many people at once. After you stop following many people at once, just wait for like 2 to 3 days, and then you can continue following like 10 to 15 people a day. That's it guys on how to fix this problem. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.